I wanted to share this video to share my logic of how I use the 1, 2, 3 gel and how I layer them one by one. Now the first gel that I use is always the one complementing the cream that I use. For example, if I use something from Mirabelle Naturals, say the Mirabelle Natural Protein Cream or the Mirabelle Natural Hair Cream, I will always use my first gel as the Mirabelle Natural Flaxseed Gel. Another example is if I use the Bouncecurl cream or the Bouncecurl leave-in and cream, I would use the Bouncecurl gel as my first gel. If I use something from Innersense, I will use the gel from Innersense. So you get the idea. Okay, if you're from India, if you use Arata hair cream, you want to follow your first gel as the Arata gel. And if you're using the Sugarboo cream, you want to use your first gel as the Sugarboo gel. That is the logic for the first gel. My second gel and the logic for second gel is to use something that the first gel is not giving you. Let me explain. Now, if I use Bouncecurl gel as my first gel, I know that Bouncecurl gel is super high in protein. At least the one that I have has like so many proteins listed in it. So I know that my hair will lack a little bit of moisture. Now my coarse hair works better with minimal protein. So if my first gel has such a high amount of protein, then logically speaking, my other two gels should have less or no protein. So my second gel almost always is a moisturizing, creamy kind of a gel. A good example for the creamy gel is Jessicurl gel. I love it. It's so creamy and it's glycerin free, it's protein free. It just hits all the spots. Another moisturizing gel could be the Kinky Curly Custard Gel. I love it. It's also another one of my favorite gels to use. So that is my logic for using the second gel. The third gel, almost always in my routine, regardless of doing the 1, 2, 3 gel, or if I'm just doing a leave-in and gel or cream and gel, in the summertime, on hot days, I will always use a gel that is glycerin free to end my routine. So my third gel in my 1, 2, 3 gel routine is always a glycerin free gel. Some examples for glycerin free gel are over here. You know what, not all gels are made to work with each other. I mean, obviously they are different brands, and not all brands and not all products and not all gels are equal. So there will be gels that actually repel each other. Not all gels will work with each other. So that is why, for this reason, I just want to remind you, you don't have to buy gels to make this work. Just use what you have. I'm sure if you've done this curly curl method or your curly curl method for a while, you must have accumulated a few more products than you need. And if you did, and if you already have a few products that work for you, just try layering them on top of each other and see if they work for you or not. I hope this makes it easier for you to understand the hows and the whys of the 1, 2, 3 gel method. But if you do have some concerns or any other questions, just drop them in the comment below and I would love to answer them. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.